YouTube, what's up? Been having some problems trying to get this 13-year-old gas Honeywell water here. So I think I was able to fix it. It was flashing 7 flashes with something to do with a gas valve or something like that. So I was able to fix it. Turn on light. See, it shows you right here the status, and it's flashing this right here. So I watched our videos how they did. I waited 10 minutes, then we reset the thing, and I think I fixed it. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe.